The NDT results are positive. Wall thickness is nominal.
Confirmed. Releasing the component.
This laser scanning process ensures the protective coating meets the rigorous standards for the A400M pressure seal.
At the routing decision point, the sorting machine uses laser etching data to categorize the raw.
Ensure the vacuum reaches the far clamp.
Confirmed. All debris removed from pathway B.
Engine-driven pump installation begins, a critical step in the A400M assembly. The robotic arm ensures precise placement.
Clear to connect the high-pressure line now.
Engaging the port. Connection secure.
With the multi-pin connectors locked, the hydraulic system is now fully integrated, ensuring stable data and power flow.
Make sure the isolator is seated correctly.
Okay, applying torque now.
All parameters are within tolerance. The installed and tested markers are confirmed.
Agreed. Signing off on Process A now. Complete.
Okay, bring it down another 5 centimeters.
Copy that. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Clear. Clamps engaged.
Laser alignment steady. Reading 0.
Confirmed on my side as well. Finalize the bolting sequence.
The insulated titanium lines of the A400M's cargo ramp door utilize Process B routing. Workers are
Technicians apply UV reactive inspection solution to all fittings and with the rear fuselage and landing.
We have full continuity on the starboard side.
Copy that. Moving to the main panel now.
Pressure test sequence engaged. Monitor the gauges.
Pressure holding steady. Actuator response is nominal. Structurally and functionally complete, ready for final integration and air vehicle certification.
Green system online. Pressure at 5,000 psi.
Red and yellow also stable. Process A and B validated.
The A400M's hydraulic system smoothly lowers the heavy-duty ramp, allowing the armored vehicle to demonstrate its robust loading capability.
Driven by the fully functional utility hydraulic system, the massive gear locks precisely into position, confirming operational quality during this critical flight phase.
As part of Process B, the hydraulically operated tie-down systems secure the cargo pallets, confirming the robust.
The A400M's utility hydraulic system is holding steady.
Yes, Process B confirms full stability on the starboard side.